In Indiana's color coding system, Allen County is listed as being in the orange, requiring social gatherings to have no more than 50 people.
Churches are exempt from those limitations, but some churches are being extra vigilant on their own to fight against the pandemic. Jeff Newmeyer is live outside a church on Coldwater Road with more on how churches are responding to the new spike in COVID-19 cases. Jeff?
Yeah, Caitlin, Brian, Covenant United Methodist Church here among dozens upon dozens of churches in Allen County that are trying to conduct regular worship services in some fashion and yet still be responsible and careful during the health threat that society faces right now. At Come As You Are Community Church, that one on South Anthony Boulevard, Pastor Anthony Payton, he says his congregation of 800 people for several months held services exclusively online. For a month and a half, they've been back to in-person services for about 80 people maximum. The chapel out in Aboit Township for several months has offered in-person worship services again. Every other row is closed off to seating, and there has to be at least 6 feet of distance between each family, side to side, meaning a sanctuary designed for 1,200 right now holds no more than 300 at a time. Plymouth Congregational Church downtown has kept a close eye on the COVID numbers, and leadership has stopped having any gatherings inside the church.
Bible study, worship has been online only kind of activities, and I would expect that to continue for the foreseeable future, given things will likely be worse in the next few weeks than they are even now, and they're bad now.
People are not willing into coming into a public space. They don't know what's the seating going to be like when I get there, so they're kind of walking in going, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. We've got greeters and ushers to help them, but they don't have a mental picture before they hit the building, and so that's just a deterrent.
Now, Pastor Hawks, they're talking about attendance at in-person services being dramatically down, really at a lot of churches, undoubtedly helping with social distancing, though churches are hoping that the numbers return when the health threat passes, whenever that might be. Come As You Are Community Church again, Anthony Payton says a physician in his congregation has helped organize seating, proper entering and exiting of the sanctuary to promote less risk of spreading the coronavirus. And he says that same doctor also spearheaded a plan to take the temperature of every person who shows up for worship to make sure that sick people are kept away from others. A lot of churches trying to do everything they can right now to do their part as well to keep COVID-19 at bay. Brian, Caitlin, back to you.
Yeah, we are in an unprecedented time. Churches obviously having to adapt to that. Jeff, thank you.